Hi everyone. Today we are going to practice very important three pranayamas which is highly essential during this period. Almost all of us are fighting with invisible virus, that is coronavirus. Only way to improve our immune system is nothing but pranayama. Prana means energy, ama means regulating. It is a regulating breathing. In this video, we are going to perform three essential and most effective pranayama. Stop pranayama, anulom vilom or Nadisutti pranayama, Bastrika pranayama. Before going to the breathing exercise, let us see the benefits. Pranayama increase lung capacity, improves function of various organs and system of our body, reduce stress, increase energy level, helps to maintain blood pressure and heart rate, helps to cure headache and sinus problem, and also improve concentration and memory power. First pranayama called stop pranayama. Sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Ardha Padmasana. Hand position Chin Mudra. Keep on your knees. Spinal erect. Deep inhale, exhale. Keep your mouth close like a O shape. And inhale, exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Slowly and deeply. Again, once again, inhale, long breathing in and breathing out. Once again, inhale and exhale. Deep inhale, exhale, long breathing in, breathing out, smiling face, relax. Body should be relaxed, upper body should be erect. Next we are going for Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Sit in Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana, Chin Mudra, palm facing upward, sit erect, spine erect, look straight, smiling face. First, deep inhale, exhale. The position, thumb finger on your right nostril, other two finger, middle finger, ring finger on the forehead and little finger, ring finger on left side. First, close your right nostril. First, exhale through your left nostril. Long, deep exhale. Inhale now through your left nostril and close your left side and exhale through your right nostril. Now inhale through your right nostril and close the right side nostril, exhale through your left nostril. Like a V shape. Inhale through your left nostril, exhale through your right nostril and inhale through your right nostril, exhale through your left nostril. Like that 9 rounds we have to do. Deep inhale, deep exhale. You have to change your fingers and continue 9 repetition. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Body should be straight, spine should be erect, smiling face, relax. Deep and long breathing in, deep and long breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, left side, exhale, right side. Relax. Come to Chin Mudra. Relax your body. Close your eyes. Relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Next, Bhastrika Pranayama. Sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana, knee in between knee gap, 4 fingers gap, and backside you have to sit on your heels. Spine erect, look straight, smiling face. Hand position, you have to close your fingers, thumb finger separate, and keep very close to your ribs, shoulder level. Deep inhale, exhale. When your hands up, inhale in, and when hands down, like you're pulling the shutter, you have to pull it down. Exhale in. Relax. Hands down, palm facing upward, keep on your knees. Rub your palm, keep on your eye lobes. Slowly relax, hands down. When the hands up, you have to pull the air. Inhale, breathing in. Position. When the hands down, you have to breathe out deeply and slowly. Ready? Position. Ready? 15 rounds we have to do, 3 repetition. Ready? Deep inhale, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 11, in, 12, in, 13, in, 14, in, 15. Deep inhale, relax. Relax your body. Rub your palms. Keep on your eye lobes. Once again, rub your palms. Relax. Completely open your eyes.